Hi, I'm Veena and welcome to Simply Sindhi. Today I'm going to make for you a very traditional Sindhi recipe called mango Murabba. This is made out of puri mangoes which come towards the end of the mango season and are available now everywhere. It has a very unique and distinctive taste and very few ingredients go into make it. It's delicious and goes very well with hot puris or roti and was my favorite when I was in school. And I continue to make it, and so I'm going to share it with you today. Let's take a look at the ingredients that go into making mango murabba. I have 2 mangoes here which have been peeled and cut into strips. In this bowl I have 2 cups of sugar with 1 pinch of food color or bundi color, 15 cardamoms, these are with the shells on. But I have taken another 15 cardamoms and peeled them and lightly crushed them. We will be using these and some water. So let's start making mango murabba. What I'm going to do now is put the sugar into this handi. And now I will add 2 glasses of water. I'm now going to light the flame and let this boil for a couple of minutes. Now that the sugar and water have boiled for a couple of minutes, it's time to add the mangoes. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm also now going to add the crushed elaichi or cardamom, and we're going to cook this on low flame till the mangoes get soft and the syrup thickens, and we'll keep stirring it occasionally. So it's been about 15 to 17 minutes that the mangoes have been cooking. The mangoes are now cooked and the sugar syrup is also thickened. So it's time to add just a pinch of food color, which I'm going to do now. It's always good to just add a dash of it first, just to see how the murabba looks, and then if it needs a little more we can add. As you can see, it's turned a nice golden color with just that little dot of color. And I'm just going to add 1 more dot to it. So the mangoes and the murabba are getting a nice, rich, deep golden color. And now we'll just cook this for a minute or 2 more, after which I will cool it, and then when it's come to room temperature, it will be time to enjoy it. So that was me sharing the recipe for puri aam ka murabba Sindhi style with you. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please bookmark it and share it with your friends. We love to hear your feedback and await the same.